back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be a little bit different. We are trying something new. Instead of doing videos for a specific job, I have seven different work from home remote job leads for you today. Most of these require absolutely no college degree. There is some data entry jobs, and we do have a job from Sirius XM. So we are going to dive straight on in, but please first give this video a thumbs up like button if you like this format, this long form, a bunch of job leads in one video format. Give me that feedback. Thumbs up if you like this. Also, feel free to leave in the comments any type of specific industry or job you're looking for. If you're looking for healthcare or if you're looking for HR, payroll, whatever it is, feel free to leave in the comments what you're looking for. Also, feel free to include any education and experience that you have. I do read those comments, and when I'm searching for job leads to share, I keep that all in mind, trying to find something geared specifically towards you. But with that being said, first up, we have Verizon hiring work from home remote service representative. Now, this one is going to be a customer service position. They're looking for somebody who is excited about technology to deliver exceptional customer experience for America's fastest and most reliable network. So you'll answer incoming calls from customers and respond to their requests about installation, disconnection, or any changes to their service plans. You'll identify customer needs and proactively offer their Verizon's products and services. You'll investigate and resolve customer inquiries and disputes on service billing rates, adjustments, and policy needs. And any requests that they have about Verizon products and services, you'll respond to those as well. You'll also help negotiate the collection of overdue or past due bills. Now, this position may require you to work some evenings, weekends, or holidays, and unscheduled shifts are determined by the needs of the business. Now, they will take a related associate's degree over having any experience, so you don't actually have to have experience for this position. If you don't have an associate's degree, that's fine. It's not required as long as you have 2 years of some kind of customer service experience or call center experience. Now, the next job lead I have from you is from the company GoShare. They are hiring a driver onboarding specialist data entry clerk. They are basically hiring someone to support their drivers and communicate with their delivery professionals to get them from sign up and activation as quickly as possible. This is going to mean you're going to review applications as well as insurance and vehicle registration documents to make sure they're accurate and eligible. You'll conduct virtual vehicle safety inspections with the qualified driver applicants. They are going to completely provide training, so you don't have to know how to do that. You'll communicate with delivery professionals through text, chat, and email, so all non-phone related, and you'll order driver applicants' pre-employment background checks using their online company software. Now, again, it says associate's degree or above, preferred but not required. No degree is actually required for this position. No experience is required either. It says 1 to 2 years of experience in recruiting, onboarding, working in data entry, HR, or customer service. Again, preferred but not required. So no experience required, just strong attention to detail, be self-motivated, and have excellent communication skills. Now, pay for this position is a little bit on the lower side. It pays anywhere from $25,000 to $35,000 a year. They also offer benefit package, including 401k, and it says you can either work from their San Diego office or this is remote work from home. Now, moving right along, I promised at the beginning of this video we had a job from Sirius XM. They are hiring a call center response specialist. Now, one thing I want to quickly point out about this position is that it doesn't actually say remote work from home on this page, but you can see this little box right here where it says call center Spanish bilingual and it says it is a work from home. We're going to quickly click on over and load that job, and then you'll see here is similar jobs. It is the same one we were just on, call center response specialist. It is labeled as a work from home on their website. But SiriusXM has brands like Pandora, Stitcher, the SXM Media, different smaller brands under their SiriusXM parent brand. They are hiring a customer service specialist. Now, this is specifically for their connected vehicle, or SiriusXM CV. Is the leading provider of connected services to vehicle manufacturers, delivering one of the most broadly adopted connected vehicle platforms across North America. So you are basically going to be handling incoming customer calls from landline and those in-vehicle applications. These calls may be related to points of interest destinations, stolen vehicle location, roadside assistance, remote phone applications, emergency and collision calls, or just troubleshooting or general customer service. You might also be asked to enroll the customer subscription package with the main objective to retain the customer, sign them up, or downgrade or upgrade their services as needed. So you'll consistently utilize effective communication, knowledge and retention and recall, speed and efficiency, and problem-solving skills. You're going to approach service and retention with integrity and compassion. You're going to try to build a rapport with a variety of customer types using common courtesy, creating that empathy, active listening, and educating and offering solution to the customer's issue. So basic customer service. Now, no college degree is required for this, just a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 2 years of customer service experience. Now, they do want somebody who has the ability to deliver customer service excellent while following productivity and attendance targets. They want somebody who has great interpersonal skills, fluent in English is a requirement, and great attention to detail. Now, SiriusXM did not publish the salary in the job description, but I did a little bit of research on Glassdoor, and it looks like there's multiple listings for customer service specialists, making around $37,000 to $41,000 a year for this reported position. This reported position also says the same thing, $37,000 to $41,000 a year. There is a customer support position that someone worked that they said theirs was between $44,000 and $49,000 a year. Pay is always going to be dependent not only on your location, but the experience you bring to the table. But this is just an estimate. Pay is probably around $40,000 a year. Moving right along, if you're more into finance, payroll, or just like data entry, this might be for you. The company Paycor is hiring a balance entry specialist. Now, a balance entry specialist is responsible for completing historical payroll data transfers for all new clients onboarding with Paycor to make sure that their information is complete and accurate and that their client's tax setup is implemented correctly. So you're basically going to ensure the accurate collection of the required documentation for the client level payroll data. When necessary, you're going to extract this data from the current payroll system in the form of standard or custom reports. You're going to ensure all payroll data is recorded, balanced, and reconciled for the client. You'll troubleshoot any potential tax mistreatments of earnings or deduction types, and you'll help educate and implement consulting a team accepting the documentation, tax impounds, and on any ongoing concerns. Now, as far as what they are looking for, you have to be eligible to work in the United States without a sponsorship. They would like a 4-year degree or equivalent education and work experience preferred. So again, a degree is not required if you do have payroll and tax experience. Someone who has knowledge of federal, state, and local unemployment. Someone who has 1 year of customer service experience, and you have to have a great Microsoft Excel experience, being able to use VLOOKUPs and different types of advanced Excel skills like pivot tables. They want somebody who has strong interpersonal skills, great communication skills, and somebody who is organized. Now, real quickly on the Microsoft Office suite, Microsoft Office makes a whole suite that includes Word, which is a Word document processing or typing program, Excel, which is a spreadsheet program. They've got Outlook, which is your email program. They have OneNote, which is like a digital notebook where you can take notes, include media, different things like that. They also have a PowerPoint to create those presentations and many other programs. Most offices do use those programs. Now, Google has a whole suite itself that works about the same, but most jobs are going to require that you do have those Microsoft Office skills. So if you don't have those, please make sure you go find some free YouTube videos and learn how to use those programs. Because if you can use Microsoft Office, that might literally get you in the door to a lot of jobs, just having some customer service experience and knowing how to use Microsoft Office. Now, back to this position. Pay is anywhere from $16.05 an hour all the way up to $25.70 an hour. Now, of course, I wanted it to include a little bit of something for everyone, so we have an HR position. The company GitHub is hiring an HR shared services representative. GitHub is looking for an HR representative to join their HR team. As a part of the HR team, you're going to be doing basic HR activities like responding to employees and manager inquiries and escalating any issues up to the senior team members. You're going to answer questions from employees about how to use the HR services platforms and tools by using established templates. So yes, they're going to tell you exactly how to do it and what to say, and pointing employees and managers to the appropriate resources. So they already have documents, FAQs, things like that, resources already designed up. You just have to tell the employee how to find the resource. You'll also do a little bit of data entry, inputting the employee data into their HRIS system and documenting any activities for that employee as requested. You'll verify the data that is inputted is accurate. You'll support the operational compliance in the data handling by learning the relevant policies and procedures. You'll review documents related to employee records and verify their accuracy, participate in information gathering sessions with any stakeholders, and report on any requirements that are needed. Now, this one is going to require a degree. They're looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree in business administration, 3 years experience in operations, customer service, or HR, someone who has prior experience working in global HR in the centralized capacity, and as someone again who has experience with Excel, creating pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, all of those things. Now, because this one is going to require a degree, the pay can go very high. Minimum pay for this position is $24.04 an hour. However, maximum pay is all the way up to $63.75 an hour. All right, real quickly, if you are still with me this far, because I know I can get a little bit rambly, give this video a thumbs up or comment down below, still here, stop talking, something like that, whatever you want to say. If you're enjoying these job leads, also remember that sharing is always caring, so please share this video with all your friends and family. Get the word out so we can all live our happiest, healthiest life, working from home, having that great work-life balance. But real quickly, we have 2 job leads left for you. UnitedHealthcare, it wouldn't be me if I didn't throw a healthcare position in here. I love work from home healthcare positions. Is hiring an accounts receivable specialist. Now, this is remote nationwide for the United States. Now, one thing to quickly note about UnitedHealthcare, they are known for giving you all the computer equipment you need to do the job and also giving you the internet you need to do the job. So all you need is yourself. This position is full-time, although they're requiring you to work 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to make sure that is going to work for you. But they are looking for somebody to work their EDI transactions and ERA files, including reconciling carrier submissions, edits, and rejection reports. You will research and resolve accounts appearing on delinquent insurance reports, collection ledgers, and government payer reports as directed by your management. You'll make decisions on accounts to be worked to maximize the reimbursement. You'll meet productivity standards as outlined in their guidelines. You'll identify any issues or any trends and bring them to the attention of your manager. And you'll train others on quality assurance work as assigned. Now, the best thing about UnitedHealthcare is they almost never require any kind of college degree. This only requires a high school diploma or GED, 1 year of experience in some kind of accounts receivable, insurance billing, processing, or customer service experience. So as long as you have a high school diploma and customer service experience, we are good to go. They do want somebody who has electronic medical record knowledge, and again, experience with those Microsoft Office products. Now, pay is again always going to be dependent on the experience you bring to the table and also the location you're in, but pay is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $27.31 an hour. All right, last but not least, this was an interesting one that I wanted to throw in, but it is going to require a higher level degree, so that is why I threw it in at the end. But the company Invisible is hiring an AI data training. This is going to be worldwide and remote. So you're basically going to be training an artificial intelligence system. They're looking for somebody to work closely with a team of other trainers with language models within protocols developed by the world's leading AI researchers. You'll be training the AI to solve complex problems and comprehend concepts using conversations in natural language. You'll think about it like being a subject matter expert and a coach influencing the way the AI model behaves and processes information in challenging and not so common situations. The goal of the AI, or artificial intelligence, is to be safe, accurate, and widely knowledgeable and beneficial conversation partner to the world for a wide variety of purposes. Your job is going to train, evaluate, and test the AI's knowledge, capabilities, and conversation skills, continuous to achieve its purpose. So you're going to be teaching it how to be a good talker, a good conversationalist, and teaching it some information. Now, I did say this does require a college degree. They want somebody who has a master's or PhD in one more major area of the STEM or sciences. They prefer somebody who's a background in math, someone who has coding and programming experience, and teaching experience is strongly preferred. Now, this position pays anywhere from $17 to $20 an hour. Again, they're accepting applications worldwide, and the schedule is flexible. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you did make it to the end of this video, comment down below and let me know that you did. As always, if you have anything specific that you are looking for, leave that in the comments below. Any education and experience you have is helpful also. I read those and keep that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share. But I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.